Good evening, parents and my dear children. So children, I hope that you all are going through all the videos which are being sent to you. Are you doing that? That's great. Okay, children, as we are staying indoors, but there are few people who are going outside and helping the other people. Do you know who are they? Yes, you are correct. They are the doctors, nurses and policemen. So, without thinking about their own life, they are taking the risk and they are helping the other people. That's so great of them, isn't it? So, with this, I am going to take you to the subject of environmental studies, and I am going to deal with chapter number 3, people who help us. So are you ready? Okay, so with this video, I am going to help you with the pronunciation of few words, and I am also going to tell you that how these people help us. So just for example, like the nurses, policemen, doctors, plumber, greengrocer, who are they? Yes, they are the helpers and they are known as community helpers. So do you know who are community helpers? Yes, community helpers are the people who help us in our daily life, and they live in our community. They live in our society. So children, we should always be thankful to them, and we should also be thankful to the people who help us in our daily life. Okay, so the first thing is architect. How are we going to pronounce this? Architect. Please say after me. Architect. Now we are going to learn the spelling. A-R-C-H-I-R-K T-E-C-T tect. Architect. You have to repeat twice after me, children. Fine. A-R-C-H-I-R-K T-E-C-T tect. Architect. Very good. One more time please. A-R-C-H-I-R-K T-E-C-T tect. Architect. Okay. So can you please tell me what does an architect do? Yes. An architect designs buildings. Very good. Please say after me. An architect designs building. Okay. How are we going to pronounce this word, children? Very good. Electrician. Electrician. Now, you are going to spell the word. E-L-E-C-T, elect. R-I-D-C-I-A-N, shen. Electrician. Two more times. E-L-E-C-T, elect. R-I-D-C-I-A-N, shen. Electrician. One more time please. E-L-E-C-T, elect. R-I-D-C-I-A-N, shen. Electrician. And what does an electrician do? Yes, an electrician repairs electrical things. Please repeat after me. An electrician repairs electrical things. One more time. An electrician repairs electrical things. So children, should we touch the electrical gadgets with wet hands? Yes, no, not at all. We should never touch any electrical appliances with wet hands. Otherwise, we may get electric shock. So, please be careful. And what about children, when we step out of our home or when we go to the other house or the room? Should we switch off the lights and fans? Yes, we should always switch off the lights and fans when not in use. B-U-T-C-H-E-R, butcher. Please say after me, children. B-U-T-C-H-E-R, butcher. One more time. B-U-T-C-H-E-R, butcher. Yes. And what does the butcher do? Yes, a butcher sells meat. Please repeat after me. A butcher sells meat. A butcher sells meat. And what do we call the people who eat meat? Yes, they are known as non-vegetarian. And what do we call the people who eat plant and milk products? Yes, they are called as vegetarian. Very good, children. The next is M-A-S-O-N and it is pronounced as mason. Very good. M-A-S-O-N, mason. M-A-S-O-N, mason. M-A-S-O-N, mason. And what does a mason do? A mason builds our homes. Now you are going to do the action along with me. A mason builds our homes. One more time. A mason builds our homes. Okay. The next is P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Children, it is not pronounced as plumber. It is incorrect. We pronounce this word as plumber. Please say plumber. Yes, the correct pronunciation is plumber. So in this, can you tell me which letter is silent? Yes, the letter B is silent. Very good. Now once again, P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. And what does a plumber do? Yes, a plumber fixes and repairs pipes and taps. Please repeat after me. A plumber fixes and repairs pipes and taps. One more time. A plumber fixes and repairs pipes and taps. And what about, children, if there is leakage? Should we immediately ask the plumber to come and help us? Yes, you should immediately call a plumber if there is leakage in the tap or pipe. The next is G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-O-C-E-R, grocer, green grocer. It is not pronounced as green grocer. It is rather than pronounced as green grocer. Okay? Please repeat. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-O-C-E-R, grocer, green grocer. Two more times. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-O-C-E-R, grocer, green grocer. One more time, please. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-O-C-E-R, grocer, green grocer. Children, when you see that there's a big word and it becomes difficult for you to read or to spell, you can break the words and you can make it simple for you to read and understand. Okay, so what does a greengrocer do for us? Yes, a greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. Please repeat after me. A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. One more time. A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. So children, when you go out with your parents to purchase the vegetables or anything, then you can ask your parents to carry their own cloth bag or jute bags or paper bags. Okay, please avoid using plastic bags because that is not good for our environment. Now, I have one question for you. How do you talk to the people who work in your home? Do you talk to them politely and gently? Very good, children. Yes, we must always talk to the people all around us politely and gently. And we should always use the magic words like sorry if we hurt them. Please, if you request for something, thank you when you get something from someone. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you a few values and I hope that you all will implement in yourself. Always help the people all around you and you can do all the small things, children. which will not only make your parents feel happy, but even you will feel happy by helping your parents in this way. You can do small things like filling the water in the water bottle, watering the plants, keeping your things in proper places. Second thing is that be good to the people who are all around you and never hurt them. And third, always listen to the elders, whatever they say. Now children, do you want to do an activity? Okay, how many of you like to do drawings? Okay, so what you need to do is that you have to draw any two community helpers, and after drawing you can color it, and you have to write their functions, that how do they help you. Okay, now apart from this you have to do the book work. So I am just telling you that which all pages you have to do. Please listen carefully and do accordingly. So you have to learn the keywords, children, which is given on page number 16. I repeat, you have to learn the keywords which is given on page number 16, and you have to complete exercise A, that is choose the correct answer. The next thing is that you have to complete the next page, that is page 17, exercise B, true and false. And please children, don't forget to write date as well as homework. Date at the top as well as homework. And on which side will you write? To the right side or to the left side? Yes, to the left side of your book. Okay, children, very soon you will be also receiving the copywork of this chapter, which you need to do it in your fair classwork copy, not in your rough copy. And that classwork copy comprises of pages 120. So accordingly you will soon receive the images of the chapter, and you have to complete that in beautiful handwriting. Thank you.